Hi everyone, welcome back with another vlog. Now I'm back in Riyadh already. My next video is on the packing and flying back to Riyadh. So probably this is my last Kerala vlog of this vacation. And in this video some clips taken on our family chat show, some shopping before leaving, not too much though, and some other. Hope you would like it. Keep watching. So on the previous day of travel, we had a family chat show. It was in the morning. That's me dressed up for the show. It's the same dress I had worn when I was traveling to Kerala. Many of you wanted to see it. You can see in the background all the luggages getting ready to pack up. Now this chat show was hosted by Mr. Jamesh, who is into the film industry. He's an amazing photographer too. He himself has a YouTube channel, The James Show. So he had invited us for a chat at Martel Mall in Malappuram, Kerala. As many of you know, my sister-in-law, my two co-sisters, one being couple vloggers, are into YouTube. So a lot of YouTubers in the family. Here only Sabeena was missing. She was in Abu Dhabi. Now I'm not going into the chat show. You can see that in Mr. Jamesh's channel. I shall link his channel below in my description box. He'll be putting up the video soon, so I shall update on that too. There were a lot of cameras inside the coffee shop. Now many of you wanted to see our vlogs together. But let me tell you, we have been talking a lot about YouTube over the phone and messages. So I thought when I'm with them during vacation, I'll be off camera just not to miss the moments spent well. So we were more off camera rather than with. That's why no vlogs together. There's the couple vloggers, Femina and Shajin, who were on live. You can see over there. He is Mr. Jamesh, the host of this chat show. Kids were asked to enjoy their food after a small session with them. Then we continued with our couple chats.
Taste tour എന്ന് പറയുന്ന യൂട്യൂബ് ചാനൽ അവർ ഒരു ചെറിയ കേക്ക് കട്ടിംഗ് പ്രോഗ്രാം പ്ലാൻ ചെയ്തിട്ട് ഒരു കേക്ക് കട്ടി.
Now Shabna had crossed 50,000 subscribers on that day on her channel. So to celebrate, we cut a cake and enjoyed. She had even gone live from there, but due to poor connection that wasn't clear at all. So she had to delete that and had uploaded later from home. A photo session after the show. Then it was time to leave. We had to say bye-bye to brother-in-law and family as we were leaving next day and they were leaving to Calicut. On the way, just stopped at our house site. Now my husband was too busy with the housework, so I had to depend on my brother to drop me for shopping, where my mother and sister-in-law were already shopping. They were leaving back to Qatar on the same day, so group shopping. Now this is the same shop where I had bought the Jiva roti press. When I inquired about it, they said it was out of stock at the moment. It was really surprising because they had told me that this product was an old one, nothing new. Now it's on high demand because of the video. Unfortunately, the product was out of stock at that moment. Once I get any details about the product purchase link or whatever, I know many of you have been messaging me regarding this, I shall definitely update. Lunchtime. Again at our house site as my brother just wanted to visit. Back home, I know it's polluting, but once in a year, just for a fun with the crackers. Dinner time, and it was egg sandwich. That's a mixture of eggs with chopped onions, green chilies, salt and pepper. That's pita bread or the kubus. Ketchup, chili sauce, mayonnaise, whoever needs it. Next day for lunch, made chicken mandi with a pack bought from the supermarket the previous day. My father working on the tender coconut. Rehan is not a fan of coconut. Mom getting ready with the woods. That's mandi rice, around 6 cups. Into a heated vessel, adding 2-3 tablespoons of ghee. Add crushed ginger and garlic, a handful. The measurements are below in the description box. Saute well till the raw smell goes. Then add sliced onions. Then goes in green chilies. Saute the onions till soft and then add the chicken pieces. Cover and cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Add chopped tomatoes. Then goes dried lemon That's the masala powder, the Mandi masala powder we get along with the pack. Mix well. Then goes turmeric powder, red chili powder, coriander powder, some salt, and mix everything very well. Meanwhile, my mom's sister had just come to see us as we were all leaving. After mixing the chicken for a few minutes, take out the chicken pieces alone to another pan. Now to the vessel, add chopped coriander leaves. Then add water, double the amount of rice. Check the salt and add enough. Mix well. Once the water starts boiling, add the rice. Mix and cover. Now into the chicken pieces, adding little oil. Then goes in Kashmiri red chili powder, some salt, Mandi masala or a mix of spices I have mentioned below in my description box. Mix everything well. After the rice is being cooking for a few minutes, place a tawa or tray below so that it doesn't burn at the bottom. Then when the water is almost drained, around 3/4 of it, keep a small vessel in the center. Take some pieces of the burning wood below, add it into the vessel. Pour 1 or 2 teaspoons of cooking oil and cover it soon. We have been seeing this done by many, trying it out for the first time, and yes, it gives a smoky flavor to the rice. Meanwhile, frying the chicken pieces in less oil. Now I had some masalas left over, add it to the frying pan and saute it for a few minutes. After 10 minutes, take out the small vessel from the rice, adding sauteed masala on top of the rice. Then place all the chicken pieces on top. Cover and let it get set for some time, around 15 to 20 minutes. Make sure the heat is very low, there's nothing burning down. And the lunch is ready. Evening time, my husband came to pick us up and we left. An emotional time again.
I love you, bye!
Stopped at a bakery. We didn't buy much this time, just a little.
Ready? Now, ready? 1, 2, 3. Shoot. Shoot.
So that's for today's simple vlog. As I said earlier, next video is on the packing and return to Riyadh. So more Kerala vlogs on next vacation hopefully. Thank you so much for your immense pour of love and support. For more videos, don't forget to click the subscribe button and press the bell icon for updates. See you soon. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.